Dear students, we'll do one more question now. Given a carrier wave, C of t is equal to 5 cos 2 pi into 10 to the power of 60. Now you can see what is the frequency here. What is the carrier frequency? 10 to the power of 6. And message signal is given. Message signal is given as m of t is equal to cos 4 pi 10 to the power of 3t. Right? So now both carrier and message signal is used to generate an AM signal with the modulation index given as m is equal to 0.707. Find the bandwidth and power. You can easily calculate. Right? You already know the formula. Now, same C of t and m of t are used to generate frequency modulated wave, FM signal. Right? With the maximum frequency deviation of 3 times the bandwidth of AM. So whatever bandwidth you get here, 3 times that is going to be maximum frequency deviation delta m. Now find the coefficient of cos 2 pi, okay, cos 2 pi 1016 into 10 to the power of t in FM expression. See, you get a FM expression, right? Coefficient of this is going to be your beta value. You have to find out that, right? So we have to find the coefficient of cos 2 pi into, okay, 1016 into 10 to the power of 3t. Now you have to find out the FM equation. Okay, answer for A part is direct. Let us see the solution here. Now see here, A part, m of t is equal to cos 4 pi into 10 to the power of 60. That means AM is given. AM is given as 1 volt here. FM is actually equal to 2 kilohertz. Right? Yes or no? Right? Now you can see 2 pi, right? 2 pi into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, yeah, it is, just see the question. Maybe it is not correct. Yeah, see, it is FM is going to be your 2 into 2 pi into 10 to the power of 3. That means 2 kilohertz. Okay, so FM is going to be 2 kilohertz. Okay, so it is cos 4 pi into 10 to the power of 3. It is not 6. We just make a correction here. Okay, now similarly AC. This is the carrier wave. This is the carrier wave. So AC is 5. And then the frequency, carrier frequency is 10 to the power of 6 hertz. That is 1000 kilohertz. What is the bandwidth for AM? Bandwidth for AM is 2 times the FM. FM is 2 kilohertz. So bandwidth of AM wave is 4 kilohertz. What is power? You know the power formula. Power is equal to PT is equal to PC, carrier power, into 1 plus m square by 2. M is given. What is PC? H square by 2. So you calculate that, calculate the power of a AM wave. The power of AM wave, if you calculate, you will get it as 15.625. Right? Just apply these values here. Now second part says same C of t and M of t is used to generate an FM wave. Right? But you need maximum frequency deviation. The maximum frequency deviation is 3 times the bandwidth of AM. Bandwidth of AM, you got it here. Okay, you have to find the coefficient of the equation. So what you do is, the delta F is 3 times the bandwidth of the AM wave. Bandwidth of the AM wave is 4 kilohertz. So delta F is 3 into 4 kilohertz, which is equal to 12 kilohertz. You get the beta value, right? Delta F, FM is given. Okay, delta F is 12 kilohertz, FM is, okay, 2 kilohertz, right? Just see here. So this is FM is given here. FM is 2 kilohertz, right? So you get the beta value as 6. Definitely, since it is more than 1, it is definitely wideband frequency modulated wave. Now let us find out the term. Right? See here. You know this is the FM wave equation. Yes or no? Right? So now what is asked is actually the coefficient of cos 2 pi into 1016 into 10 to the power of 3t. I've understood this. Okay. Now you know that Fc plus NFM. See, this is, you have cos 2 pi this term, right? So that is Fc plus N into Fm. Fc plus N into Fm is equal to 1016 kilohertz. 1016 kilohertz, right? So now from this you can calculate the n, right? Which component, which order is that, right? So Fm is given, you get the n value, right? So n value is going to be 8 here. Since n is 8, okay, beta is given, the corresponding term is AC into J8 of 6. Okay, the corresponding coefficient is AC. AC is given, AC into J8 of 6. So you can use your Bessel table and you can find out J8 of 6 for beta value of 6. Okay, it is AC into J8 of 6. Suppose if J8 of 6 is not available in your table, then you keep the answer as it is. You just keep it as AC into J8 of 6. Right? This is the answer. Okay. See, the second step is little complex. It is very easy if you remember this formula. What is asked in the question? Once you, in the FM equation, you have to get the coefficients of a term cos 2 pi 1016 into 10 to the power of 60. Right. So if you take the expression of Fm here, okay, so you have a term cos 2 pi, the value inside is 1016 into 10 to the power of 60, and you know definitely it is Fc plus Nfm, right? And corresponding coefficient is AC into Jn of beta, right? And if you get n value, okay, from this value, then you can find out the value of this coefficient AC into J8 of beta. Beta is given, n you have to find out. So n you get it from here like this, and the answer, the coefficient corresponding to this particular term in this equation is going to be AC into J8 of 6. Right? So you have to redo this question in the on the book, okay? Then only you will be able to understand this. Okay?